Hello students, how are you? My name is Firdaus Parveen and today I am going to teach you mathematics for class 3rd. Okay, so let's start. Just imagine you go somewhere and there are 10 boxes present. Okay, and each box contain 5 number of chocolates. Someone asked you that how many number of chocolate present in all that boxes, or he told you how you can calculate the total number of chocolates. So do you think whenever that how you can calculate the total number of chocolate in that scenario? Any method? Okay, so I am going to tell you what is the method. In mathematics, there is one mathematical operation that is called multiplication, which is used for finding the total number of products in any group or for any group. Okay, or you also you can find out the total number of chocolates in that scenario by counting one by one boxes, that you have to calculate the number of chocolates firstly on one box, then second, then third, and so on, but it is very time taking. Okay, so for solving this problem there is another method in mathematics, which is multiplication. Okay, so today our topic is multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is simply the mathematical operation. It is used for finding the product of total number of objects in any group. Okay, let's learn in deep. Equal groups, groups with an equal number of items in each group. Okay, three groups of four. As you can see in this slide that there are three groups present, that is 1, 2 and 3, and each group contains four products. Up now you have to calculate the total number of products in each group. So you have to calculate by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the answer for this operation is 12. Okay. That is three groups of four. You also write this as a three groups of four, and you can also write it as a three multiplication four. Okay. The symbol for multiplication is cross. Okay. Now you have to write, there is another point that you have to write always the number of group in front number, in first number, that is 1, 2 and 3, and you have to always write the number of products in second position. As you can see, there are three groups, that is written as 3, and the number of products is 4, that is written as 4. Now you have to write a multiplication problem to match this model. Okay, so as you can see, there are 5 groups, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and each group have a 4 product, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the multiplication problem for this model is 5 multiplication 4. Firstly, we have to write the number of group, and second we have to write the number of product, that is 5 multiplication 4, and the answer is 25 groups of 4. Okay. Um, now, now coming to the methods which are used in multiplication. So the first method which is used in multiplication is array method. Okay. In array method, you have to simply solve this by using the row and product. So let's learn how we can calculate by array method. Rows with an equal number of items in each row. Let's see, the operation is 4 rows of 4, or you can also write it as a 4 multiplication 4. Okay, so you have to write the first number it as a row. Okay, so you can see the first number is 4. So you have to draw 4 rows, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 4 rows, and secondly, you have to write the product in each row. So second number is always show the number of product which is present in each row, that is 4. Then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First number always show the number of rows, and second number is always show the number of products present in each row. And row, each row save the each number of item. Save the, sorry, equal number of item. Every row, every row contains the same number of items which is written in a second position. That is also 4. So now we have to calculate, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. So that is array method. Now you have to write a multiplication problem for this model. Okay, so as I told you previously that you have to write the number of row firstly, and then you have to write the number of product. So you can see that there are 3 rows, that is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the first number is 3, and also you can see that there are 6 products present in each row. So the multiplication problem for this MAD model is 3 multiplication 6. So let's check the answer. Awesome. That is 3 multiplication 6, and the answer is 18. Now let's check how we get 18. Okay. So you have to just count the total number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then second row 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you have to count the third row items, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So the answer is 18. Okay. Now come back to the next method, that is repeated addition. Okay. So let's see how we can calculate multiplication problem by repeated addition. Simple. In repeated addition, you have to write the number repeatedly as word shows repeated. Repeatedly adding together the same number. So you can see there we have write the number 4 5 times. 4 added 5 times. Okay, just 4 added 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can also write it as a 4 multiplication 5. Okay, so let's calculate 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16 plus 4 20. So the answer is 20. Okay, so simply in repeated addition you have to add the number repeatedly. Okay, so now, write a multiplication problem to match the addition problem. Now we have to write it as a multiplication problem. Okay. Have you understand what multiplication problem is? Simply which contains symbol of multiplication. It is present in addition form, repeated addition form. So let's check. There are number which is present is 6, 6. Okay, and now you have to check how many times it present. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is present 5 times. Okay, so you have to write 6 multiplication 5, that is multiplication problem for this problem. Okay, so the answer is 6 multiplication 5, which is 36 added 5 times. Okay, so I hope you understand these 3 methods. Now we are going to next method, that is number line. Okay, so number line. Repeatedly skip the same amount on a number line. It is simply you have to count the number in number line. Okay, just given by the number of skips of any number. Like 3 skips of 4, you have to skip the number 4 3 times. 3 skips of 4, it simply means you have to skip 4 number 3 times in number line, and you have also write it as a 3 multiplication 4. Okay, so in number line 3 skips of 4. So first skip for number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First skip is completed. Then second skip 5, 6, 7, 8. Second skip is completed. Then third skip, that is 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 skips are completed for 4. So the answer is 12. Okay, you have to write always the number of skips first in first position, in first number. You can see there are 3 skips, so we have write 3 in first position, and second position, in second position we have write 4, which number is skips. Okay, so now you have to write a multiplication problem to match the model. Okay, so as I told you previously that just firstly you have to see the skip number of skips, that you can see there are 3 skips, 1, 2, and 3. And which number is getting skips? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number 6 are getting skipped. So firstly we have to write the number of skip, that is 3, and the number which is going to skip is 6. That is 3 multiplication 6, and the answer is 18. Okay, now let's check the answer. Perfect. 3 skips of 6 is 18, and also we have write it exactly. So now let's move to the conclusion. So what we learned in this video, we learned multiplication is the mathematical operation that represents the process of repeated addition. Okay, it is used for finding the total number of objects in any group. We can use array method, repeated addition method, and number line method in multiplication. We learned all of this in this video. Okay, I hope you all understand this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me freely. Okay, thank you.